Good evening, my name is Erica Treadwell and today's date is May 27th, 2025. In this video, I will properly be showing you how to clean and disinfect an exam table. For my supplies, I have a little sweep and a dustpan, and then I have my foam quat, which is the cleaner. And then I have my rescue for the disinfectant, and the concentration of this is 2 ounces per gallon, and we'll have to let it sit for 10 minutes. And then I have a microfiber towel. So first I am going to remove all the supplies right here so we can make sure we clean every part of the table. First, I will be sweeping all the dirt and the fur off the table. Then, for my second step of dry cleaning, I will wipe it down with the microfiber towel to make sure I can lift anything off the table that I didn't get from sweeping. Now I will use the foam quat. I have already placed my gloves on, but if you didn't do this in the first step, you would place your gloves on since you were dealing with chemicals. I will evenly spray the table. And per the directions on the foam quat bottle, to properly clean it, we need to let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay. Now for this next step, I have already gotten a warm cloth with warm water. I will wipe down the residual foam quat. Okay. Now I will go ahead and manually dry. Now for the disinfectant, once again, I will be using the Rescue, which is concentrated at 2 ounces per gallon. Per the directions of this concentration, we'll have to let it sit for 10 minutes before we can clean it up. So I'm spraying, I'm making sure I get it evenly across the table, and then now I will let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that I have let it sit for 10 minutes, I will go ahead and wipe it off with clean water that I have on this little rag.